Today I'm going to show you how to connect a Google Analytics property to a Google site. So the first thing you need to do is go to analytics.google.com, and I've already got a few properties created, so you might see a slightly different screen to me, but you need to create a new property. So in my case, I'm going to go down to the settings icon at the bottom left, and then you should see a page that looks like this. And from here, you need to make sure that you've got an account created. If not, just click on create account. And now I'm going to go to create property on this side, and I'm going to give it a name, and then click on next, and then scroll down and click on create. And now you've created your Google Analytics property. So you need to now click on the web button and then enter the URL of your website. So in this case, this is going to be the URL. So I'm going to paste that into there, and then I'm just going to give it a name. And make sure that you don't put the protocol before it because it's already here. Next, you need to click on create. Now what you need to do is go to use existing on page tag and then go to Google Analytics. And here you'll see your tracking number. So you need to copy that, and then you need to go back to your Google Sites editor and go to the settings icon at the top right, and then go to Analytics and paste that tracking number into this box. Click on the X button and you should see a pop-up at the bottom saying that Analytics are now active. So as soon as you press the X on Google Analytics and just go back to the home page by clicking the Reports button at the top left, you should see something that looks like this. So at the moment it's blank and there's no data on it, but if I go to my main website, which is rydercraigie.com, you'll see that it's got a little bit of data on it. I get about 100 visitors a day. You can search for things at the top. For example, if I wanted to see how many visitors I've had today, I can type visitors today. And then if I click on users, it'll show me on the right hand side that I've had 49 visitors today. If you've got any further questions about this, please let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.